So we have our first sum here. We have 14 take away 7. So the first thing we're going to do is partition the number into its tens and ones. So we've got 4 ones and 1 10. 7 is greater than 4, so we need to use this 10 and swap it for 10 ones. Then I'm going to move those 10 ones across. I can now take away that 7. I have 4, 5, 6, 7 left over. So 14 take away 7 is 7. We then have the sum 37 take away 9. Now we're going to partition 37 into tens and ones. So we have 7 ones and 3 tens. Now we can't take away the ones because 9 is greater than 7. So we're going to have to borrow one of the tens, use 10 ones and put them across here. So now we can take away the 9. I have 8 left over and I have 2 tens left over. So 37 take away 9 is 28. I have 52 take away 15. We are partitioning 52 into tens and ones, so we have 2 ones and 5 tens. We want to take away the ones, but we can't because 5 is more than 2. So we need to borrow a 10, swap it for 10 ones, and move it across like so. Now we can take away the ones. So if we take away 5, we have our ones there. Now looking at 15, it also has a 10, so we need to take away another 10. So now we have 7 ones, 3 tens, so our answer is 37. Now we're looking at bigger numbers, so we've got 76 take away 37. Partition 76 into tens and ones. We've got 6 ones and 7 tens. We can't take away the ones just yet because 7 is greater than 6. So we have to swap the 10 for 10 ones, move them across. Now we can take away the 7 ones. So 6, 7, so we'll take those away. I've got the ones left. Remember, we've still got the 10s to take away, so I'm going to take away 3 10s, so cross that out. So then we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones and 3 10s. 3 10s and 9 ones is 39.